If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today we are making one of the classics, Paneer Butter Masala, Butter Paneer, Paneer Makhanwala or Paneer Makhani. There are a bunch of names, whatever you call, in perfect restaurant style taste. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the butter paneer are: for the whole spices we need 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 star anise, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 to 3 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 8 to 10 cashew nut, and 1 inch long cinnamon stick. Then roughly chopped 2 onions and 2 tomatoes. Then 250 grams of paneer which are cut into 1 inch long cubes. Then 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Then 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 green chilies, half a tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, then 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, then around 1.5 cups or roughly 400 ml of vegetable stock, which is really needed to get the perfect restaurant style taste. So if you want to know how to do that, you can check my episode on that. I'll give a link in the description below or click on this above link. And if you don't want to use the stock, then you can use water. Then take a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil, and first add all the whole spices and roast them for about a minute until they get a little roasted. And how will you know? From the aroma. So when they are well cooked, add the onion. And also remember, I forgot to mention about the ginger and garlic paste. So what you can do is add the chopped ginger and garlic at this stage, just before the onion. After the onion is done, add all the roughly chopped tomato. So the tomatoes has lot of moisture in it, but still we need to cook this for 4-5 minutes. So add about half a cup of vegetable stock. Then transfer this into a blender and make a smooth paste. Then in the same pan, add more oil if needed or butter. Then add all the paneer cubes and roast them for a few minutes until they are golden brown in color. And also remember to sprinkle some salt on top so it will be easy for them to absorb the salt before the curry. Then in the same pan, add all the butter, the ginger and garlic paste if you made it separately, else skip this. Then add the green chilies. Saute that for a few seconds. Then to the pan, add all the blended paste. Mix it up really well with the butter. As it's too thick, add about 1 cup of vegetable stock, but that may vary as per your preference how you want it. Give it a quick mix, then add some salt to taste, kasuri methi and the heavy cream, and over low heat cook this for about a couple of minutes. Then add all the paneer cubes, then bring this to a boil and cook this for about 4-5 minutes. So the paneer cubes will absorb all the flavors and it will be done. That's it, the butter paneer or paneer butter masala. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.